welcome to your mindfulness break with another simple mindfulness exercise that you can practice to increase your calm so that afterwards you can have greater focus, productivity, empowerment, and self-control. This is called a spinal twist, where you put your fingers in front of your shoulders, the thumbs are behind, and as we turn the body to the left, we will inhale, and as we go to the right, we will exhale. And we're focusing on this really, really powerful deep breath. So let's get started. Inhale to the left, exhale to the right. Inhale to the left, exhale to the right. And the more powerful the breath, the more beneficial the exercise is going to be. Thanks for taking the time to be mindful so that as you are more calm, you can spread that calm to others. Thank you.